Hi everyone, I am Rina Jane T, GALADLAS, and today we will learn about the double bar graph. Double bar graph is a diagram that can be used to compare and contrast values in relation to each other. So let us understand the double bar graph with the help of an interesting examples today. The number of boys and girls admitted to class 8 in different years in a school is represented in this table. Can we represent these figures as a bar graph? Here we can draw different bar graphs like this, but it will be difficult to obtain information from this example. It would be difficult to know which year had the largest difference in number of boys and girls. And which year the total number of class 8 was the highest. In this situation, the double bar graph is helpful, with these two represent data on the same graph as a pair of bars. In a pair of one bar represents one group of data, and another represents another group of data. Here's the step to create a double bar graph. Step 1. On paper, we will draw two perpendicular lines. Here on x-axis and number of students in class 8 on the y-axis. Step 2. For our convenience scale like here, we can take 1 unit is equal to 20 students. According to the scale, we can show numbers on y-axis. Step 3. For showing the number of boys, we will take color of bars of these colors. So, blue for boys and orange for girls. In step 4, now we will represent the data as pair of bars to show that there were 60 boys and 80 girls in class in 2007. So we would draw the bar representing number of boys 60, and with this also draw the bars representing of girls 80. Similarly, we will represent the data of all the years in the form of double bar graph. Remember that we will keep the width of the bar equal in distance between the pairs of bars will also the same in this way, so we will get a double bar graph. Now, if you want to find out which year had the largest difference in the number of boys and girls, then by looking at the length at the bar, we can easily tell that difference in the number of boys and girls was largest in 2007. So similarly, we can also get different information, thus in a double bar graph, so the two different types of data are represented as a pair of bars so that two sets of data can be compared. The same scale is used for both figures. Again, this is Rina Jane Galadlas, and I hope you've learned something from this video. Thank you for watching!